Hi everyone and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove handwritten text from a PDF, step by step. This method is quick and easy, and you don't need any special tools or software. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. First, open File Explorer on your computer and navigate to the PDF file you want to edit. Once you've found it, right-click on the file, select Open With, and choose Word from the options. Microsoft Word will convert the PDF into an editable format automatically. Step 2. Once the PDF is open in Word, locate the handwritten text you want to remove. Simply click on the text, and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will instantly erase the unwanted content. You can also adjust the formatting if needed to keep the document neat and clean. Step 3. Now that your edits are complete, click on File in the top left corner of Word. Then choose Save As from the menu. Give your file a name, and under the Format drop-down, select PDF. Finally, hit Save to export your edited document back into PDF format. And that's it. Your PDF is now free of the handwritten text. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.